Once you purchase or access a due diligence report from Patent Cloud, you can find 3 types of issues from importing patent records. The analysis scope on the upper right shows the number of applications and patent families in the patent portfolio. There are 7 tabs in due diligence. Each covers specific aspects of a patent portfolio. In this video, we focus on the first 4 tabs. The summary section summarizes the legal status of all patent applications. The chart represents the numbers of patent applications with respect to their legal status in each country. You can click on the filter and redefine the scope of the analysis. The following chart presents the remaining life of active patents in the patent offices. Pending patents shows the number of the remaining pending applications by application year. The summary of the technologies section shows the top 3 technical fields and their quantity. The technical field of each invention is the International Patent Classification, IPC, assigned by the Patent Office. The first chart shows the IPC distribution of the patent holder's patent families. You can view the subcategories of an IPC by clicking on the plus sign. The final chart shows the IPC portfolio of patent families by earliest priority year. You can examine how the patent holder's innovation portfolio evolves over time. We then move on to the next tab. The summary presents the number of patents jointly owned or applied with others, the name of 3 major assignees or applicants, and their proportion. Next, the chart shows the proportion of patents jointly owned or applied with others. Click on the green area to see all the co-owned or co-applied patents. The following dashboard shows the top 10 inventors by the number of patent applications. The invention timeline presents the number of applications by year for each inventor. The next chart shows the current assignees of the portfolio. The gray area indicates patents that the patent owner filed. The orange area displays patents filed by other companies or individuals that were later transferred to the patent holder. For the Historical Highlights tab, the Summary section shows the number and proportion of patents that have been transferred, licensed, pledged, or litigated. The donut chart indicates the number and proportion of patents that have been transacted. The bar chart shows the number of patents that were transferred, licensed, or taken as collateral. In the last part, litigated patents, the donut chart shows the number of all litigated patents and their proportion. The bar chart shows the corresponding litigated government body. Thank you for watching this due diligence tutorial video.